We are in East London today. We had a client give us the privilege of re-roofing their 3-story walk-up. Roughly 2,100 square feet. This roof drains at those two ends. We have scuppers, and we have a couple bathroom vents and a chimney behind me. I'll show you where we're at. This is the existing roof, the roof that was on original. There was another roof but prior to us that we had to rip off, had a separation layer, insulation, and mechanically fastened TPO. The TPO was leaking, we're removing it, allowed the existing roof to dry, and now we're going to put a new separation layer, a peel and stick base, peel and stick cap. This is where we're at now. This was our cutoff. This is our night seal. We're going to start putting down a good separation layer, an asphaltic layer, and a peel and stick base sheet. We'll show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. We are on day 2. We had a great day yesterday. We were able to install the base sheet. And what you're looking at now, this is a peel and stick base sheet aligned with the peel and stick cap. One of the benefits of peel and stick, we don't have a 500-degree kettle up here. We don't have an open flame torch. It's a lot safer for us, a lot safer. There is people in this building, the residents, so just during the job, it's a lot safer for them. We installed 2 scuppers. I'll show you over here. So there are multiple ways to drain water off your roof. You can have internal drains, you can have eaves troughs. This roof has scuppers, so the roof sheds towards this way and into 2 scuppers on the side. There you go. We have now to weld the seams, the overlap seams, and we have some metal flashing to do. We'll show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We finished the job. Job turned out wonderful. Client's gonna be thrilled. We're able to give them a brand new roof. It is November, so the weather worked in our favor. Go ahead, take a look. This is a 6-plex on the east end of London. Beautiful client. We were able to give them 2 scuppers, meaning the water's draining that way. I think the existing deck is properly tapered, so this should turn out wonderful. We have a chimney in the middle, a couple washroom exhaust vents with some new flashing on the outside. We just rejuvenated this guy's building, allowed him to take care of his assets, and away we go. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. If you are in Southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.